All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is Thursday. Happy Thursday. I have a wonderful typo for you in today's questions. I hope you guys are doing all right. And let's get started, shall we? Number one. So the first part, the first question on Thursday, I took from your homework that you would have gotten if the school year were to go normal in Unit 7. And I put it down here, and now I kind of regret putting it down because as I'm working through these problems, I don't like this first question, and I'll explain why in a second. So it says, write the next first 5 terms of the numerical pattern that begins with 2 and then adds 3. So they give us the first one. 2 plus 3 is 5. So what they should have stated it more like, complete the table if the top number plus 3 equals the bottom number, going up 1 each time, something like that, because you're focusing from 2 to 5, but we don't know that you're supposed to just go over and say 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 3 is 10, which is what they wanted you to do. And that's very different than the next table. So that's confusing. And then if you ever wanted to talk about the relationship, you would say top number plus 3 equals the bottom number, or just have a variable or a symbol for it. X plus 3 equals y. And then you could fill that in for each portion. Let's go to the second part. Complete the table. Complete the table. The top row begins with 5 and then adds 5. The bottom row begins with 20 and then adds 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Starts with 5 and adds 5 each time. The bottom one starts with 20 and adds 20. Now, what's cool about this is now you could kind of look at this and you could look at the relationships. The pattern of 5 and the pattern of 20, every time you look at a top number and a bottom number, or an X number and a Y number, you could say X times 4 equals Y. They're not asking you to do that here. That's gonna, it's a little down the road, but you could look at that and state that that's the relationship of each ordered pair, if you will. Okay, cool, moving on. Complete the table. So this is where's my wonderful typo. It says number of songs and then how much it cost. Well, let's look real quick. So the first one is, so this is the number of songs. I'll just put that symbol because I don't have enough, and then I'll go like this. So one song cost 99 cents. 2 songs cost 98 cents, but 99 plus 99 is 198. So it should have been $1.98. I'm assuming that was very confusing when you looked at it. So I don't know quite what you did there. You might have just followed the pattern and subtracted a penny each time, which would be fine, because that's actually what that graph is showing. But thinking about it, every time you get another song, it costs more. So 3 would be $2.97. 4 would be $3.96. 5 would be $4.95. And then the question says, what is the relationship between the number of songs and the cost? So you would say, here you would say numbers of songs times 0.99 equals cost. Now, I'm not expecting to see exactly that, but as long as you kind of understand that that's the relationship. The top number multiplied by 99 hundredths is equal to the bottom number. And then, but if you're looking at that graph, it would be like the top number times 99 cents, and then you would subtract 1 for each number of songs over one song. That's too confusing. Okay, now, what would it cost to download 6 songs? So looking at my pattern here, you could see each time you're adding $1 and taking away a penny. So 6 songs would be $5.94. Or you could have actually done the math and multiplied 6 by 0.99, and you would have gotten that same answer, $5.94. All right, tomorrow is like bringing it all together. I'm giving you, like, what was it, 5 questions, 6 questions? Four questions. So do your best, and I'll probably produce one last video for the week, and then I'm going to go back to the drawing board and see if these videos, I don't really know how many people are watching the videos, so if I see you're using them, awesome, I'll keep posting them, and if I see that people are not really using the videos, then I might go to a different method. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for staying.